Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a matcha tea latte using our own matcha powder. I'm using one made by Bloom. So we're going to take half a teaspoon of our matcha powder, place it in our mug and into our coffee machine. We're going to take a creamer. I'm using one that's by Tassimo. And we're going to place it into our coffee machine. Make sure that you've put water in the jug. And we're going to put it on. I find drinking matcha tea in just plain hot water really hard to drink because it's so strong, and I just prefer, I have to have it in a latte. So usually I usually have the Starbucks one, which tastes a bit weird, to be honest. It tastes a bit fishy. I don't know, what are your thoughts? But I still force myself to drink it because I can't really do without some caffeine, and I'm actually on a caffeine detox, so this has got less caffeine in it, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and add another creamer just to make it less strong.